Have you ever tried to do knotless braids on short natural hair, but you didn't get a nice look at the end? All you got was the natural hair popping out of the braid. Then this video is for you, so stick around and watch it till the end as I give you tips on how to go about it. My name is Lisa and welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please just give this video a thumbs up as we continue, and do not forget to click that subscribe button and the post notifications bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So yes, my client today, she had short hair, and apart from having short hair, her ends were kind of thick, so it was a bit of challenging to tuck them under the braid, but I am going to show you how I did it, okay? And of course, as we all know, for knotless braids, you have to start with the person's natural hair first, braid it a little bit before now you start adding the braiding hair. And yes, the size of the braiding hair depends with what the clients want. And this client today, she wanted medium sized, very long knotless braids, so that is what we were giving her. And of course, remember, when you're doing knotless braids, be aware of the amount of braiding hair you are adding onto the person's natural hair, because yes, you do not want to add a lot of braiding hair, and we want that crisp, nice finished look. Okay, so yes, if you have any questions so far as we're doing the video, just ask them down in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer all of them. All right, so yes, about the parting of the knotless braids, it takes practice. If you want a tutorial, a detailed tutorial on doing the parting, just let me know in the comment section and I will do another separate video on it. So as we are continuing now, I'm going to explain to you everything you need to do just to make sure you have that nice finished look when you're doing knotless braids on short natural hair. Yeah, so first you part the hair according to the sizes that you're using, and do make sure that your parting is very neat, okay, because we want a nice finished look. So yeah, parting really matters, okay? And then you start now braiding first with the person's natural hair before now we start adding the braiding hair. So you just braid it a little bit, it depends on what's your preference, okay? So just braid it first and then we start adding the braiding hair. And when adding the braiding hair, do not start with a very thick braiding hair. It depends with the size, of course, but here we're doing the medium size. So yeah, we're adding very small braiding hair as we are going. And yes, when you feel like it's enough, now you stop there and then now you continue braiding. It gets to a point now you have to tuck the ends before now you do the whole braid. Do make sure as you're braiding, to make sure the person's natural hair stays below the braiding hair. As you can see there in the video, I'm making sure that the person's natural hair is kind of hidden or tucked down the braiding hair as I'm going. And if you have a wax, that's fine. It can help you like lay the hair down so that it doesn't poke out a lot. If you don't have wax, you can use a moisturizer, anything that can just lay the hair down. As you can see now, it's well hidden in the braiding hair. That's all you need to do. Just make sure that the person's natural hair, every time you're braiding, it is below the actual braiding hair. So that's all you need to know. Unless you have any questions, you have any doubts, just ask them in the comment section. Yes, and I'll get to answer all of it. And up to there, that's it from me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, and I'll see you in my next video.